This video demonstrates how to adjust the steering wheel position in a 2014-2017 Lexus NX200t. Proper adjustment enhances comfort, visibility, and control, reducing fatigue and improving safety. The NX200t uses a manual tilt and telescoping system for customization. This allows drivers to position the wheel for optimal ergonomics and driving control. The adjustment lever is located underneath the steering column on the left side. This lever unlocks the steering column, allowing you to adjust the wheel's position. Identify the lever before attempting any adjustments. Make sure you are parked and not moving before trying to locate or adjust the lever for safety. To unlock the steering column for adjustment, locate the adjustment lever under the steering column on the left side. Firmly pull this lever downwards to release the locking mechanism. As you pull the lever, you should feel a slight release and hear a click. This indicates that the locking pin has disengaged from the steering column shaft, allowing the column to move freely. With the column unlocked, you can now adjust the steering wheel position. Once positioned correctly, push the lever back up to lock it securely. With the column unlocked, you can now adjust the steering wheel's tilt and telescoping. First, adjust the tilt by moving the wheel up or down to change its angle. Next, adjust telescoping by extending or retracting the wheel inward or outward. Find a comfortable position where your arms form a natural 90-degree bend at the elbows and the top of the wheel is at shoulder height. The Lexus NX200t provides a 2 to 3 inch telescoping range and 10 to 15 degrees of tilt adjustment. Reference diagrams show proper telescoping components and correct steering wheel height. Once you've found your preferred position, push the adjustment lever firmly upwards until it locks into place. Ensure the steering wheel is secure by gently pulling on it to confirm it doesn't move. A properly locked column is crucial for safety. Safety is paramount when adjusting your steering wheel. Always make these adjustments while the vehicle is completely stationary. Never attempt to adjust the steering wheel while driving, as this creates dangerous distractions that could lead to accidents. Proper steering wheel positioning is crucial for safety. It ensures your arms are at a comfortable angle and reduces reaction time during emergencies. Correct positioning also prevents strain injuries to your shoulders, arms, and back during long drives. After making any adjustments and locking the column, always double-check that the steering wheel is securely in place and does not move when you test it. Following these safety considerations will help ensure a safer and more comfortable driving experience. Drive safe. For maintenance, if the adjustment lever becomes stiff or difficult to move, apply a small amount of lubricant such as WD-40 to the mechanism. This helps smooth operation and prevents wear. Regularly inspect the locking mechanism to ensure it remains secure and engages properly. This safety check should be done periodically to avoid any slippage. Forum posts have mentioned that corrosion can occur, especially in humid environments, so regular maintenance is a good idea. Check for rust and address it early to maintain smooth adjustments. While the NX200t 2014-2017 features manual steering wheel adjustments, newer vehicles offer electric options with powered tilt and telescoping. Aftermarket electric retrofit kits are available for the NX200t, providing faster adjustments. These kits, such as IDDIT models, can cost $200 to $500 installed and are reported to make adjustments 40% faster. Professional installation is recommended to ensure safety and proper function.